Are you looking for the best mirror dash cams front and rear view for cars in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top best mirror dash cams front and rear view for cars that are available on the market. Starting at number 5. We have the Pelsee Mirror Dashcam. With the Pelsee Mirror Dashcam, you can improve your road safety. Its Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, offers more than just recording. ADAS features include warnings for forward collision, pedestrian collision, lane departure, headway monitoring, and forward movement. These alerts help you detect obstacles and drive safer. With a 4K Ultra HD dual camera and WDR technology, Pelsee captures sharp, detailed footage in any lighting. Whether it's bright daylight or low light, this dashboard cam ensures you capture every crucial detail, including road signs and license plates. With a free 32GB TF card and GPS tracking, it provides accurate driving location and route information. Moving on at number 4, we have the Jansite Mirror Dashcam. With the Jansite Mirror Dashboard camera, you get a sleek design and impressive features, making it a perfect choice for drivers who want more safety and convenience. The high-definition recording is a key feature. Both the front and rear cameras offer clear 1080p video quality, capturing every road detail. Day or night, the footage remains clear, even in low-light conditions. This top-rated dash camera fits easily in larger vehicles. A highlight is its super night vision capability, offering analog high definition for the backup camera. This ensures safe navigation in dark conditions. At number 3, we have the BEANGEL Rear View Mirror Dashcam. For a hassle-free drive, consider the BEANGEL Front and Rear Mirror Dashcam. It offers dual cameras for full coverage, a 4.3-inch screen for easy use, and simultaneous recording from front and rear views. With picture-in-picture display, clarity is ensured. The 108 OPHD front camera and waterproof rear camera provide clear recordings day or night. Wide-angle lenses capture all details, and the IP67 waterproof standard keeps the rear camera working in any weather. At number 2, we have the AKASO Front and Rear Mirror Dashcam. For those looking for reliable surveillance and easy operation, the AKASO Mirror Dashcam for car is a top choice. With a 2.5K front camera and 1080p rear camera, it offers exceptional clarity and detailed recordings. The Sony image sensor and his silicon processor ensure sharp images even in low light. The 12-inch touchscreen display provides easy access to video playback and settings, allowing users to switch between cameras and adjust viewing angles with a simple touch. Built-in GPS records real-time location and speed, while the G sensor triggers emergency recording during collisions. Voice control allows hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. And finally, at number 1, we have the WOLFBOX Front and Rear Mirror Dashcam. When it comes to the WOLFBOX G840S Car Mirror Dashcam, it transforms any vehicle. Its impressive 4K resolution captures every road detail, and the wide view reduces blind spots, enhancing safety. The 2.5D curved screen not only looks stylish, but also reduces glare for clear visibility day and night. With GPS tracking and a precise parking monitor, it provides comprehensive vehicle protection. While it has minor issues like occasional firmware problems and glare in some conditions, it is a top choice for drivers wanting high performance from a mirror dashcam.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.